Hi guys, this is Stephanie with House of Fritz, and I am going to do a little project. I found this kind of canister, metal canister at a thrift store, and I've cleaned it up. It does have some wear and scratches and stuff on it, but I'm going to use some new redesign transfers on it, and I think most of that will be covered up. But anyway, I am carrying these redesign transfers now, and I thought I would do a project with them, and this can is like the perfect canvas to try it. So we're gonna use this gold foil called Shimmering Script, and it has two 8.5 by 11 sheets of script in it. And so I'm just going to put a little bit here and there and then put the floral transfers on. And these floral transfers are called, let me get this out, Dreamy transfers, or nope, Dreamy Florals, excuse me. And they're really pretty. I don't think I need to use this particular one, so I'll save that for something else. But I will use these other two sheets for the front, back, and the sides. And I'll use some of the script on there. I've already cleaned the can, and I'm not going to do any painting. I may end up putting some rub and buff on the lid, just on the handle. I'm going to put some script up here too. We will see how this goes and how it turns out. Not 100% sure, but I figured it's worth a try. So let me open this one and set the plastic aside. I think I only need, I don't know, maybe I only need one of these. We will see how much I end up using. Oh goodness, they're really pretty. And I love how they used them on this example piece. They used it just on the front of a dresser. It's very pretty. I've only ever used the other brand of the foil stuff, so this will be really cool. And now that I am a redesign stockist, I am going to try to basically just switch over to redesign products. Okay, so this is a really pretty, I think it was like one of those cans that you get at the holiday season with cookies in it. I think there was a label on the bottom, and I could kind of tell it was cookies, you know, maybe from like Sam's or Costco or something like that, because it is kind of bigger. But I wiped it down, and there are some scratches, but I think what I'll do is, I mean, the transfers are big enough that I think, let me see, figure out how I'm going to put this on. I think I'll do, you know, one of the larger transfers in the front and in the back, and then I'll go around it with some of the script writing. So let me cut this down. So the lid's going to come down to here. Oh, no, it's not. So maybe I go ahead and bring that up. Trying to decide how. Let me just cut some more off. Scissors are caught. I think this, I'm just gonna make it end right there. So if I feel like kind of hard to figure out which way I want to do it. I think I may wrap that around just a little bit. I think we'll just go for it. This is a simple, more simple project. Although as soon as I was about to go for it, I changed my mind, but that's okay. We're just gonna go for it. I think I am gonna cut this one word off though, and maybe use it on another spot. Wow, I love those. Those are super easy. And still see. And just makes them a little bit longer. Okay, now I'm going to put on the flowers. So I kind of was thinking, I want to make sure I get certain things covered up. So I think I'm going to turn it like this and go for it. And I did, so like I said, I did clean this can, and then I actually wiped it down with alcohol, just because I thought, let me just make sure. Okay. Okay. Wow, that went on super well. Love that. Isn't that pretty? Okay, let's see. I still have these two pieces. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the back. I think what I'll do on this one though is I'll put this transfer down first, since I already know that I can lift up and go around with the gold. It doesn't have to be. Let me see how this goes. Okay. Okay, so I have that on, and now I'm going to decide how much of the writing do I want. And which parts. So I definitely feel like this part down here is perfect. So I'm going to cut this again. probably the look at that. Wow, that looks great. Okay, I'm gonna stop on that and then let me finish with these other flowers. Okay. All right, so I'm going to put a little bit more of text on here. And so far we've only used the one sheet. Got a whole full sheet over here. So this is going a long ways. Got some words that I need to, I'll use these up. But let me see. And then I have one more side to get to, which I think I'm gonna go over here. And so I have this seam right there. And okay. So I'm going to go ahead and put some writing on that. Boy, am I loud today with this thing. Okay. Wish there was a way to really know if I still had it the right way. I think I did. That might be all I do. I think that's good for this. But now I want to make sure I get this lid. Make it look really pretty. I think it turned out really pretty, and I still have, of the packet, I still have some of the script and a whole sheet of the transfers. I think it turned out pretty good. I want to thank you guys for joining me during this project, and I hope that you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed already, I really appreciate you being here and would love for you to come back. So hit the bell so you can be notified about other videos, and push the subscribe button. And if you feel that you know somebody who would enjoy this video, please share it out. Leave me a comment, Tell me what you think of this project. Thanks for being here, and I will see you guys next time.